Doctor Strange 2, The Multiverse of Madness. Looks like it's about to be a crazy movie. Y'all already know I'm out there with my people. Let me know in the comments y'all feel the same way. Anyway, let's get into it. Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Rick, and I wanted to do this video about 7 tips you should know when getting into the world of affiliate marketing. Before I get into it, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you appreciate all the information I've been giving you. But let's get into it. For those who don't understand what affiliate marketing is, it's when you are called an affiliate and you align yourself with a brand or product and come to an agreement to get a link registered to you, assigned to the product you wish to promote. And whatever sales are generated when you guide traffic towards that link, you make commission, you get paid. To even break it down to even simpler definition, affiliate marketing is when you are paid to promote a brand's particular product or service. That's it. But let me tell you the 7 tips you should know before getting into all that. Number 1, have a niche or niche or niche. I'm just joking. Have a niche. Don't be so broad. Pick one category that you want to be in. Focus on one thing at a time. A few top niches that you should want to consider: health and fitness, self-development, self-help, e-commerce, or relationships. Number 2, get familiar with the platforms you want to be affiliated with. That could be many: JVZoo, ClickBank, Digistore24, Amazon affiliates. There are plenty of these platforms that you can choose where you can find the product that you wish to promote. Don't think it's limited. There are so many out there, so many different platforms that you can align yourself and become an affiliate for. From Best Buy to Apple. You just got to go on their website, scroll down, and most likely you'll see the option to become an affiliate with them. Number 3, choose a product. Now, I only recommend choosing one, but maybe you could push yourself 2, maybe 3. I warn you, because it is a lot of work to push these products. You have to know the ins and outs of all of them. You must have extensive product knowledge. That's why I recommend just working on one. Number 4, understand the power of these online marketing platforms. There are many out there, and I'm sure you heard of them. Examples are GetResponse, ClickFunnels, Systeme IO, ConvertKit. ClickFunnels has a 14-day trial. GetResponse has a 30-day trial. Systeme IO is actually free to start. Take advantage of these trials. These are powerful tools. It's important that you get inside and learn the entire software as best as you can. They help you create landing pages, sales funnels, start email campaigns, automated responders, blogs, build a website. Whatever you think of, most likely these softwares can get it done. I'm an affiliate with Systeme IO. If you click the link in the description below, you can get started right away getting to know that software and see why I enjoy using it. If you require guidance and getting to know that software really well, just click the link in the description below where you can visit my website and book a call with me. Real quick, if you're enjoying this video and you're learning a lot, I'd appreciate if you could hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Helps with the algorithm. But let's get back to it. Now we're at number 5. Understand the difference between paid traffic and free traffic. Paid traffic are like Google ads, Facebook ads. You pay for targeted growth, while free traffic is more organic growth, where you place your affiliated links or promo links on various social media platforms, such as TikTok, Reddit, Pinterest, Facebook. Your job is to guide the traffic towards your promo links. Now we move on to number 6. Now I was going to call number 6, understand the power of social media, but I found it more impactful to call this tip, understand the power of creating content. When you get into the world of affiliate marketing, understand whatever you choose to promote, your ability to create content will help drive your business. You will utilize the knowledge of your product with the power of social media. If done right, you can find your way potentially to financial freedom. Now, number 7 is my last and final tip, but the most important, which is have patience. Understand affiliate marketing is not a quick rich scheme. Some people start this type of business and leave within a month, and not realizing it might take you up to 6 months, maybe a year before you see the results that you want to see. Give it time. You never know what tweak or change you might make that can create a spark and generate the sales that you've always wanted. Now, those are the 7 tips I recommend all of you should know when you plan to get in this world of affiliate marketing. If you want even more help and some guidance in this world, I recommend clicking the link in my description below. It will lead to my website where you can book a call with me, and I'll make sure I'll be there every step of the way. And that's it for this video. Hope you like and subscribe to my channel. I got more content on the way, and I'll see you in the next video.